Diddy is being hit with a 120-person lawsuit. And yes, you heard me right. The law firm Buzz Bee just announced that they are representing 120 people that are suing Diddy. So the Buzz Bee Lawfirm did a press conference and they explained how they had 3,000 people reach out to them to try to represent them against Diddy, and they said that they only chose 120 people after investigating everybody's claims. They said they got evidence from these 120 people, such as phone calls, photographs, text messages. They also got hospital records, police reports that were filed when all of these alleged assaults took place. They even talked about how some of these victims in these lawsuits were minors, and the youngest one being age 9 when these assaults happened.
When you talk about the ages of the victims when the conduct occurred, it's shocking. Our youngest victim at the time of the occurrence was 9 years old. We have an individual who was 14 years old. We have one who was 15. 25 of the 120 individuals who are plaintiffs in these cases were minors at the time of the acts complained of. The time frame of the acts complained of is very wide. The conduct at issue spans from the years 1991 all the way till this year, 2024. If you wonder why there are so many alleged victims, that's your answer. We're talking about more than 25 years of this type of conduct. Now, although most of the victims who have stepped forward were victimized after 2015, this has been going on for a very long time.
In this press conference, it was also brought up that Diddy had many accomplices in this 25-year span that he was doing these alleged offenses. And they said that they are going after everybody else that was also involved with Diddy doing these crimes. He also spoke about how it's just not individual people. There are also companies that were allegedly involved in Diddy's reign of terror. He explains that a lot of people that he's representing have hospital records and police records showing that they had horse tranquilizer in their system after these alleged assaults took place. He said most of these offenses took place in New York, California, LA, and Florida, and most were at parties and even at auditions. Each one of these cases will be filed individually, so Diddy will have 120 individual lawsuits from all of these different people, and he expects to be filing them in 30 days. In this press conference, the lawyer also said that he made a hotline for any other victims that may want to reach out. He said it's 1-800-200-7474, and you can reach out to him and they will investigate all of your claims to try to get you represented. Now I'm going to go ahead and roll you guys this clip of this law firm talking about how big of a case this actually is, and you guys let me know what you guys think about all this in the comments.
My name is Tony Buzz Bee. I'm a lawyer here in Houston. I'm licensed in Texas and in New York. The biggest secret in the entertainment industry that really wasn't a secret at all has finally been revealed to the world. The wall of silence has now been broken, and victims are coming forward. Our team has had at this point more than 3,285 individuals contact us with people claiming to have been victimized by Sean Combs. After vetting, we now represent 120 individuals who intend to bring civil claims in civil court against Sean Diddy Combs, as well as claims against many other individuals and entities that we will name as defendants as we file these individual cases. There are many facets to this. The conduct we will describe today occurred over more than 20 years. There are many people and many entities involved. And we're going to follow this evidence wherever it takes us. We will find the silent accomplices. We will expose the enablers who enabled this conduct behind closed doors. We will pursue this matter no matter who the evidence implicates. These brave victims who have stepped forward deserve nothing less.